Bodyworks. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. We're going to be making a yummy foaming hand soap today. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, I do show you how to do a Thieves foaming hand soap, so be sure to check those out. But today we're going to be using orange and lavender. So the reason that I picked these is citrus oils, they're a natural degreaser, so they're great for like the kitchen or the bathroom. Anytime you're really trying to cut any grease or dirt, orange or any citrus oil like lemon are great for that. Together, the two smell amazing. So that's why we're picking these two today. We're also going to be using Dr. Bronner's Castile Soap. This is the baby unscented. I like this one the best when I'm trying to make a recipe. I also have water. Distilled water would be your best bet, but I don't have that at the office right now, so I'm just using filtered water. All right, so let's get started. So I'm upcycling a foam pump. You want to make sure that it is a foam pump. It won't work in a regular soap dispenser. So we're going to start with about 2 tablespoons of our Castile soap. That looks about right. If you watch some of my other videos, you know that sometimes I don't have a tablespoon, so I just kind of eye it. So do your best. We're going to do 10 drops each. So 10 drops of our orange, and that one's pouring out, and then 10 drops of our lavender. I already smell it and it smells so good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so let's give it a little twirl. Oh yeah. And then you want to fill the rest of your container with your water. Be sure to leave enough room that when you put the pump in that it's not going to spray out everywhere, okay? I speak from experience. All right, let's see how we did. So you want to give it a couple turns. If you washed your pump out really good, you might still have some water in the pump. So your first squirt or two of the foam might not be as foamy as you want it. After you do a couple of squirts, if it's still not as foamy as you need it, then you can add extra Castile soap. Oh yeah, so that looks really good. And it smells amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go wash my hands and smell this yummy soap, and I will see you next time. Take care.